Hi, this is Insider Style by Wynstan.
In terms of style, what were you going for in this room and how did you all bring it to life?
The overall vibe of the house is an urban vibe. But in saying that, you've got this gorgeous view outside that I really wanted to play on. With the shears, especially when the wind is blowing, it really lightens up the room and makes it feel like you're in a coastal home.
So talk to me about the master bedroom. What was most important to get right in that space?
It was really important in the master bedroom to make sure that we controlled the amount of light that comes in, but also not come in. So when we were asleep, we want it pitch black, but then during the day, just to be able to control that amount of sunlight that comes in, because house is a north-facing house. It's quite important in kids' rooms. They've got their own little personalities. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the house. A nice pink on the walls, you know, nice pink doona cover and all that sort of stuff. So, you know, she wanted pink.
She got pink. The wind motion motorised system was going to be best for us again.
It definitely does beat the chain, because it means that they're not going to get tangled up in it and it's completely out of their reach. They can't touch anything, which is great.